If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason why so few engage in it. Whether you think you can, or you think you can't, you're right. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. Failure is only the opportunity more intelligently to begin again. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Vision without execution is just hallucination. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. Chop your own wood and it will warm you twice.
Thank you. We appreciate for watching our video. Like, share, subscribe and support us.